This is a Merrill Edge Roth IRA review. Merrill Edge's Roth IRA accounts have been met with mixed reviews, reflecting both its strong integration with Bank of America and certain limitations compared to other platforms. One surprising fact is that Merrill Edge has earned a top spot as a best-in-class broker for IRA accounts for several consecutive years, and its $0 minimum to open an account is attractive for beginners. However, despite these strengths, Merrill's management fees for automated services are notably higher than some competitors, which has sparked debate among users. A key advantage of Merrill Edge Roth IRA is its seamless integration with Bank of America accounts, making it highly convenient for existing customers. This feature allows easy transfers between checking, savings, and investment accounts, which enhances overall usability. Additionally, Merrill Edge offers commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs, making it cost-effective for those looking to build diversified portfolios without facing frequent trading fees. For individuals seeking retirement planning tools, Merrill provides an excellent range of calculators, including one for Roth IRA conversion, which helps users project future retirement outcomes based on their current financial situation. Despite these benefits, some users have expressed frustration over certain drawbacks. The management fees for Merrill's robo-advisor, Merrill Guided Investing, stand at 0.45%, higher than competitors like Fidelity, which charges 0.35%, and Vanguard, which offers rates as low as 0.15%. This fee structure can significantly erode returns over time, especially for long-term investors focused on maximizing gains. For investors seeking personalized advice, the fees increase to 0.85%, which some feel is not justified compared to more affordable options on the market. Additionally, while Merrill offers a wide variety of educational resources, advanced traders may find the platform lacking, as it does not offer access to Forex or futures trading. This limitation positions Merrill Edge more favorably for beginner and intermediate investors, rather than those looking for more sophisticated trading tools. Another notable feature is the strong customer service offered by Merrill Edge, which includes 24/7 phone and live chat support, plus access to in-person assistance at Bank of America branches. This robust support system has been a significant advantage for those new to investing who may require additional guidance. However, some users have reported technical difficulties with Merrill's website and app, describing occasional lag times and glitches during use, which can be frustrating when managing investments or accessing account information. For investors who value a full-service experience with ties to Bank of America, Merrill Edge's Roth IRA could be a good option, particularly for those interested in basic investment options like stocks, ETFs, and bonds. However, the higher fees for managed accounts and limited offerings for advanced traders may make it less appealing for others. While Merrill Edge provides a well-rounded suite of services, users should carefully consider whether the higher fees and limitations align with their long-term investment goals before committing to the platform. For those primarily seeking low-cost management or a wider range of investment choices, alternative brokers like Vanguard or Fidelity may offer better value.